Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. It's been a while. It's winter time. It's freezing. And see, I got a lot of new subscribers. Everybody, welcome to Green Tea Garden. I appreciate everybody. Today, I'm outside right now here. I have a lot of compost stuff that I'm going to show you. I'm going to add this in my raised garden bed. You could add this in a new raised garden bed or your old one. If you're going to add these stuff in your old raised garden bed, you want to dig down about at least 6 to 8 inches down. And you want to apply all these stuff inside of the bed, and once they start decompose, they're going to release organic matter nutrients to our soil. And now when we plant our plant springtime to summertime there, now our soil is going to be rich and healthy. That's going to give our plant a big boost. We're not going to have like rotten end problem. We're not going to have a slow production where our plant is not going to be, trying to pull energy source from anywhere, nutrition source. No, our bed is going to be so rich in nutrition that is going to be growing non-stop. If you're new and your first time watching this, don't forget to click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon for more upcoming videos on Green Tea Garden. I'm going to show you guys up close. So we have a used coffee ground, eggshells that I crushed up really small. You have to break them down smaller pieces. With the smaller pieces like this, they could start it to decompose within months. It could take up to a year. And this here we have toilet paper roll that I break up into smaller pieces. Break them up into smaller pieces, they will decompose faster. Use coffee ground filter, and I have banana peel, apple peel, strawberry peel, and all that. If you throw them in the hole like this, it take over years. So we're gonna put some of it here in this bed and in this one. Now you can notice these beds don't have soil inside yet. So if you have a bed with soil, make sure to dig down about 6 to 8 inches, I said down, and then you could just sprinkle it all over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my eggshells. So I'm just gonna literally sprinkle the eggshell for a lot of calcium. As I said, it takes a while to break down, and it's fine. We are okay with that because we have time in our hand. And this is our garden bed. It's not going anywhere. So eventually, throughout the years, we are gonna be benefiting from this no matter what. I get our used coffee ground. Used coffee ground could use as fertilizer, or it could use as like to get rid of bugs and pests and stuff like that. But we're not applying too much. Just a little coated all over. You could see that. Not too much. Even on the snow is gonna melt into water. That's gonna help our bed. Next, we're gonna add our kitchen scrap. This is what you call organic fertilizer. Once it start breaking down, it's gonna work amazing. Always make sure to water when you're done. Listen, you could add your soil when you're gonna add your soil later on, and then you could also add more fertilizer with your soil, whether if it's fertilizer or compost. But this is good compost right here. This is gonna break down over time. And like I said, our garden bed is not going anywhere. You rip them. You could get a scissors, or you could just get your hand and break them into smaller pieces. Like this way, it will decompose much faster. These are all organic stuff. These are all stuff that we already bought from the store. We use, and instead of throw them away, we use them back in our garden because it will help us throughout the months, throughout the years for free. Right, so add the rest in my compost tumbler over there. But now what we could do, we have enough space right here, about 6 inches plus. We will fill that up with compost and soil coming next spring. Remember, whatever we just add right here, all our compost stuff right here, this is going to take some time to break down. So don't count on this right away. Just think about it in a long term, basically. But when come spring, we're going to add soil and then add back either compost or organic fertilizer, whichever one you guys could add. These are the Vigo garden bed right here, the L-shaped one and the round one. Check in the description box. I'll leave a discount code if you guys are interested. Pretty good quality. So the reason why I did this, everything helps. I don't throw anything in the garbage. I don't waste any stuff. And I get natural fertilizer, organic fertilizer throughout the months. And this will power up our garden bed. Now you could make your own compost in your tumbler, or you could add this to your garden bed, or whatever you do, use it in your garden. It's basically free, and it's natural, and it's organic, and it's very powerful. And you know what you're using to put it in your garden, and once you know that, you know exactly what you're eating. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I gotta cut this video off because it's freezing out here, and we got a lot of rain coming. Anyone who's new, I'm in Long Island, New York, United States of America, and welcome to my channel. And I do appreciate everybody that likes, subscribe, supporting. I know I've been doing some shorts video to keep you guys busy. We'll be seeding a lot indoor, and then we're gonna bring everything outdoors. I'm gonna show you guys from starting to the end how I'm seeding, how I'm bringing outdoor, and how the growing journey's coming. And I'm gonna give you guys a good look of my outdoor garden because I am gonna be doing some changes coming up this spring, and hopefully we'll get a lot of growing production this spring and summer. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I'll see you guys next time.